And the way I want you to look at it is this. Whether, like I said, it's 5,000 you've got or 5 million, when you invest in a public company, so we're not talking private companies, we're not talking about the risk of your money being locked up, we're talking about public companies, the names you've heard of. I want you to think of it like this. It's like hiring somebody in your business. If you're hiring somebody in your business, you want to look at about 10,000 CVs, I would have thought. You want to look at as many CVs as possible. Because when you invest in a company, a listed company, a public company, you're asking them to manage your money to make you a return. Either because you're in your 30s or 20s, you want to get richer when you're older, or you're retired and you want that money to give you a comfortable retirement. They are basically managing your capital. If they're managing your capital, they better be the bloody best of the best in the world. How do you make sure they're the best of the best? Well, you look at a lot of CVs. In other words, you look at a lot of companies. But that sounds complicated. That sounds like you're going to spend the rest of your life doing that. So we need to find a simpler way of doing it. Thankfully, there's so many free tools on the internet to be able to do that. But first of all, you need to know, well, how do I do that? Where do I begin? And like I said, it might not be that you've got the capital today. It's the fact that you will have the capital. And the